Family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went this morning to actually try out the cash back that you get when you're purchasing things from Dollar General. There is certain things on your app. I don't know if everybody gets it or they pick. I don't know how that goes. I know this one right here is on my husband's card. He is the only, well, I always say card, but I mean number. His number is the only one that gets the cash back with the extra coupons. I get the coupons, but also I get cash back. On my telephone number, I don't get it. So I said this morning, let me go ahead and try it out. So what I did was I looked on there and I seen two of the items that was giving cash back. So let's go ahead and get to the video, and then I'll show you the ones that I got cash back. And then also let you know how much money I got back, okay? So, the first thing was the Lysol. The Lysol air sanitizer is $7.35. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Also, there is a $3 cash back that I did get back, okay? So, I got that back. So far, it looks like you can use coupons and also get the cash back. The next thing is this Vapor Cool Vicks Severe. It's like sore throat. These are nasty. I thought maybe since it was honey and lemon, it'd be a little bit good. They nasty too, just like the regular. So these are $2.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now, these coupons that I have are old coupons, so you still might want to look to see if you have them so you can go and clip them, okay? And then the last thing I got was the Nivea lotion. It is $5.75. There is a $3 off digital coupon that did attach. Also, I got back a $2 cash back that is attaching for this Nivea. So, y'all, now, when you are waiting for the cash back, you might have to log out of your number, out of the app, and then log back in, because that's what I had to do. I thought maybe it'll automatically, update on there, but it did not. I had to actually log out of the app, then log back into the app, okay? So, the subtotal that I paid out of pocket for this was $7.60. Then when I logged out and I logged back in, I got $5 back. So it's making this whole total $2.60. But remember, you have to pay this out of pocket, then you'll get your cash back after that, okay? The cash back does not come off first with the digital coupon. Only the digital coupon comes off, and then get the cash. Then you can get the cash back. Or if you have a coupon. Now, you might not have a coupon for it, and you have to pay the price that is actually saying that it is. And then you want to log out of your app, log back in, and it should give you your cash back. Now, for the cash back, I think it's in like the wallet part of the app, and you can go in there and you will see it. So just clip on it. If you're doing it on mobile, I think it's the wallet. On the computer, it might be the wallet also, okay? So I paid out of pocket $7.60. So let me show you my receipt. There it is. There's the Nivea, the digital, Vicks, the digital, and then the Lysol, the digital. Then I paid, my subtotal was $7.60. Everybody's taxes is different. And my total savings was $8, okay? And then I got back, I didn't get back. I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. Paid out of pocket $2.60 for all this. And y'all, this stuff is not cheap. Not cheap at all, okay? So This right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda.